Well, I'm in the process of just cleaning up the last little bit of trash we have on the floor because our next step is to install some carpet. We bought a piece of low-pile commercial carpet that's about 2 feet larger than our overall dimension for the room and the closet. On two sides, we square up the factory cuts and begin making our own cuts on the other walls. A sharp utility knife and a 6-inch drywall knife work nicely for this job. The drywall knife forces the carpet into the corner and provides a straight edge to cut against. When the cuts are made, we fold the carpet back and begin applying the glue to the perimeter of the floor with a notch trowel. Then we fold the carpet back down and flatten out the edges with the drywall knife. Our carpet made such a difference in the look of this room, and I can't believe it only cost $100. Now, the way we installed it by gluing it just around the perimeter would make it very easy to pull the carpet up later and replace it with a more traditional bedroom type carpet if the new owners wanted to return the use of this room to a bedroom.